Good day, sir. I am Zaira Villaraza from Bisab 2C, and I will conduct the bacterial oath. Here's the materials. First, we have the clean water bottle with a clear water, and then we have the knife, and then lastly, we have the mango or Mangifera indica. Bacterial oath can be noticed when the stem is cut here and you put it on the water to notice that the bacteria is going inside. And added, you can see the bacteria is wilting. Second, the bacteria that coming from the root of the stem is the pathogens that are going inside, and the droplets are sign of pathogens being composed mostly of bacteria cells. The bacteria that can detect is the anthracnose, and the bacterium, and the fungus, as you can see in the video. The disease is what we call the anthracnose. The bacteria came from the stem rather branches, where we should wait 2 to 3 minutes after cutting the edges. The precautions that we should do by conducting this activity, which is we should use the clean and dry area rather places, and then we use clean tools to avoid contamination and to prevent the cleanliness of our surroundings.